What's up, everybody? It's Johnny, and I'm back today to talk about tax refunds and tax deadlines. In an effort to keep this video clear, concise, and easy to follow, I'm breaking this video down into two parts. First, I'm doing an update on what is happening with tax refunds. I'm going to break down what is currently going on, why this whole situation is a mess, why refunds are taking so long to be distributed, and how to track refund status. In this part of the video, I will also provide a few possible explanations as to why your tax return may be delayed. In addition, I will provide an update on how many days refunds are currently delayed, and I will let you know the difference in timing if a refund is set to be sent via direct deposit versus waiting for the refund check in the mail. In part 2 of the video, I will talk about the personal tax filing deadline, October 15th, and what can be done in the future to avoid a tax refund delay. All right, before I dive into all of this, please take a moment, click that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, let's get into it. Part 1 of the video, the breakdown of what is happening and why it is happening. In normal years, a tax refund usually takes about 21 days to process. Unfortunately, 21 days has not been the reality for most taxpayers this year. In early September, it was reported that the IRS had 8.5 million unprocessed individual tax returns. So if you are waiting for a refund, you are certainly not alone. So the logical question with all of this is why? Why is the IRS not efficiently doing their job? What is the cause of this delay? Well, in a typical year, or typically, a tax return is filed, then the return is processed, and then the refunds go out. The processing part, that middle part, is where everything is off. The processing is delayed for the following reasons. The IRS has been dealing with a multitude of other issues, including child tax credits, stimulus checks, and the recovery rebate credit. Also, unemployment benefit issues. Because of the pandemic, the IRS had a restricted capacity of workers. And in addition, the 2020 tax returns include provisions for new tax issues like the stimulus checks, which has made matters even more complicated. So, in summary, the combination of workers out, new tax laws, and new programs, and all of the processing that goes along with that results in a delay of processing, which then results in a delay of refunds. Now that we know why the delay is happening, let's talk about the days. How many days are we talking here? It has been reported that delays can take up to 120 days. If the IRS finds errors, or if you claim the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Child Tax Credit, the wait could be possibly even longer. Timing of refunds is also dependent upon how you file. What I mean by that is if you file with refunds going into a bank account via direct deposit, it takes an additional 5 days for your bank to post the money to your account. So let's use an example. If the IRS issued your check in 21 days and it takes the bank 5 days to post it, that is 26 total days. However, if you filed with refunds to be mailed to your address via check, the IRS reports that it could take 6 to 8 weeks for your tax return to arrive after it is processed. If you are watching this video and you are awaiting a refund, there are a few possible reasons why this is happening. Here is a possible list: an incomplete return, errors on the return, suspected identity theft or fraud, return includes a claim for the Earned Income Credit, additional child tax credit or recovery rebate credit, or the return just needs additional review. As you await, there is a tool called the Where's My Refund tool. I will post a link to that in the description. In addition, the IRS has an app called IRS 2 Go that is available where you can track your refund status. Also, there is numbers to call. You can call the IRS at 800-829-1040 or the Taxpayer Advocate Service at 1-877-777-4778. Okay, everybody, at this point in the video, we have an understanding of why the delay is happening, how many days it could possibly take, and ways to track the refund status as you await your refund. Now, let's move on to part 2 of the video, the deadline to file and how to get a faster refund in the future. All right, the deadline, it's simple. It's October 15th. That's this Friday. This is critically important as there is a failure to file penalty, which is 5% of unpaid taxes for each month or part of month that the tax return is filed late. The most the IRS can assess on a failure to file penalty is 25% of total unpaid taxes. Taxpayers who reside in a federally declared disaster area and filed a valid tax extension may have even more additional time to file. If you were impacted by Hurricane Ida or another natural disaster, make sure you talk to your accountant about that possibility. If you file now, the fastest way to get your refund is to submit a mistake-free tax return and set up your refund to be directly deposited into your bank account. Unfortunately, it appears it may take longer than the normal 21 days to get the refund, but eventually it will come. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please click that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay healthy, stay sane, and I cannot wait to see you all soon.